What's up YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman coming at you with a special video of an unboxing of Wildside Beard Co. So make sure to stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, what do you think about my new intro? So anyway, today got a package in the mail from Wildside Beard Company. Now they reached out to me, asked me if I was willing to try out any of their products for a review, and I was like, yeah, let's go. So they sent me some stuff just off the bat. Haven't even opened this yet. Just off the bat, their stamp on the back of the package is awesome, and yeah, so let's get into it. I don't even know what they sent me. So we'll find out together. So we'll do this. This will be kind of first impression and unboxing. So it's just like an oil. Now that is packaging right there. That is making sure that this feels like a bottle of oil, making sure it will not break. That is awesome. Get all this out the way. That's a pound of bubble wrap right there. Let's see if we can get, there we go. All right, label is awesome. Check that label out. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see what we get. This is Naughty Pine. If I can get this safety thing off. There we go. Let's see what it smells like out of bottle. Now I'm gonna do a full review on this in a little while once I get a chance to actually test it and review it, test it and use it. Smells good. That's pine. If you don't like pine, you won't like this. That's straight out the bottle. That's pine. So, all right. What else we got? Koozie. Good looking koozie with their logo. We got 2 business cards. Looking forward to your review. Stay wild. And the matching balm, 2 ounce. The oil is a 1 ounce. Yeah, 1 ounce oil. The balm. There's my knife. Stuff's sealed up pretty good. Screw chop. A little more subtle than the oil, but still the same. Pine. All right. Ingredients. We'll go ahead and do ingredients here. We'll do them again when we do our review, but ingredients on the oil is jojoba oil, rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, scented with premium grade essential oils. Now with the balm, beeswax, shea butter, jojoba, rosehip, sweet almond, argan, vitamin E, and scented with premium grade essential oils. So this is Wildside Beard Company, and I will make sure I will drop a link in the description for their website. That is what they sent me here. So make sure, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'll be dropping a review of this once I get a chance to use it for a week or a little more. I have got one other one I'm using right now, so once I finish it, then I'm gonna jump in on this and give you guys a review on it, and we'll let you know how it feels in beard, how it is. So let me say thank you to Wildside Beard Company for giving me the opportunity to test out these products. I'm going to test them out and give you guys a full, complete, honest review on how they do in beard and go from there. Something that I do when I test out products is I'll use the oil by itself for a few days. I'll do oil and balm together for a few days. Then I'll do just the balm for a few days just to kind of get a feel as to how it does with my beard, and I'll let you guys know how that does. So again, thank you to Wildside Beard Company. If you haven't already, I'll put links to their Instagram and their website. Definitely go check them out. So stay tuned for the review. As always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.